Hello, everybody. This is Jake Pack, and thank you for tuning in to SeaTac Lighting and Controls Lowdown on Lockdown series. This week, we are going to take a look at Sonneman. So just a quick refresher on who Sonneman is as a company. These guys are based out of New York City, still family ran with a very reputable name in the architectural and decorative lighting world. Today we're going to take a look at Suspenders, which is just one collection from an entire series that is offered. So I'm going to show you how this product can be scaled to large size, but still very lightweight in design. So let's go ahead and take a look. So what is Suspenders? Suspenders is essentially a modular-based system, which means it's built out of parts and pieces in order to create one large configuration. Now, I'm sure you're looking at some of these creations and you're thinking, how on earth am I going to specify something of this size with this many pieces? Well, the good news is that there are 10 different categories of pre-configurations that you have to choose from. So whether you want rings or if you want linear or more abstract zigzags, the choice is yours, and there's typically about 5 to 10 pre-configurations per category to choose from. So here is just a sneak peek at what is a small portion of over 80 accessories to use for the decorative configurations, which is a lot to grasp, but rest assured that there is an aesthetic that can meet almost every job. So whether if you want sandblasted acrylic or glass, if you want crystal, there is really a huge range to meet different projects. We find that these luminaires are often 3 watts each, and 3000 Kelvin is the standard color temperature, with ELV dimming is across the board standard for all configurations. Now, the other set of components is the Precise collection, and Precise is essentially the more performance-based modules that we're going to find these ranging close to 8 watts per fixture, so 60 to 70 lumens per watt. Again, 3000 Kelvin is the standard color temperature, and the dimming as well is ELV. So these are really meant to be used in configurations that can possibly replace the general illumination that's being used in the space. So it becomes both performance and general illumination as well as a decorative feature all in one. So let's say that some of the standard configurations don't meet the scale that you need for your project, or that you want to tweak them slightly. We have a standard customization tool that's available on the Sonneman website under Systems that is very easy for you to use as a specifier. So you can easily go on there. You really just get to pick the scale and the style that you want. You get to pick if you want to switch out the accessories for something else, and it'll essentially build you a custom part number that you can include in on your fixture schedule. So when it comes through to bid, we will be ready to know exactly what it is that you are looking for. So let's talk about the scale of some of these fixtures. It's really incredible. So if we have a taller space that needs that statement piece, this is a great collection to go to. The picture on the left is the exact configuration that's shown on the right. It's 126 inches tall by 98 inches wide. So very impressive. If you did need to scale that down, we have a very easy ability to do that. Please just reach out to us and we will get you a modified drawing. Now, Grid is easily the most popular suspender collection. It's rapidly expanding, and I believe it's solely due to the fact that it's a very easy scale. It's 8 by 8, and it's 3 foot 10 inches tall. Now, we have the ability to go shorter if you, say, run into an area with lower ceilings. I think all the way down to 18 inches. So if the scale standard does not work for your project's application, please reach out, and we will be happy to get you a revised drawing. And that was just a small overview of Suspenders by Sonneman. So if you have any questions, or if you want to start a custom configuration for your project, please reach out to us. We are happy to help walk you through the first initial design. We know that it can be a little bit challenging to understand all the parts and pieces, so we want to help you build this system out to your specification needs as easy as possible. Thank you so much for tuning in.